What's up, everybody? Tonight we're going to be making super crispy chicken wings in an air fryer. So, cheers and let's cook. The first thing we're going to do is turn our air fryer on, set the temp to 380 degrees, and let that preheat. Now, to get these wings super crispy, we're going to want them real dry. So, I got a sheet tray with some paper towels. Just going to get my chicken wings on there. And I got some more paper towels. We're going to pat them dry. Okay, should be ready to go. Now we're going to take our dried wings and go into a bowl. To that, we'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just mix that up real good. Our air fryer is preheated, so I'm just going to spray the inside with a little pan spray. We're just going to line those wings up in here so that they're not touching. I got about 2 pounds of wings, or 14 wings, which is about the most I feel like you can get into this air fryer. You want that air to be able to circulate, that's why you don't want them to touch. That's looking good, so now we're going to pop this back in and set a timer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is up, so now we're going to pull that out and just flip each wing over and set it for another 10 minutes. Our second 10-minute round is up, so now I'm going to turn that up to 400 and just let that go for another 5 minutes to get those super crispy. We got some super crispy chicken wings here, and they are ready to be sauced. Now, I grew up cooking in and around Buffalo, New York, and I've cooked a lot of chicken wings a lot of different ways. I can honestly say that this is the fastest, easiest way to get a delicious, crispy wing. The only downfall, you can't cook that many at a time, but it goes really fast. So you're watching football or something, you can do a couple rounds, and it's super easy, so you're not going to miss any of your game. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is in the comment or in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.